you're watching this, it means one thing. You're tired of knowing English but not sounding confident when you speak it. You can read, you can write, but when it's time to speak, people ask you to repeat yourself, or they misunderstand you, or you feel shy, unsure, and frustrated. In this English pronunciation course, I will teach you how English sounds actually work, from the organs of speech to vowels and consonants to stress, rhythm, and commonly mispronounced words. You will understand why sounds are produced, how to form them, and when to use them correctly. My name is Esther, and this is not just a casual pronunciation series. This is a complete step by step English pronunciation course designed to take you from a confused state to being a clear, confident, and correct speaker. We're going to cover lots of topics, and you won't just listen, you will practice, you will repeat, and you will train your mouth, your tongue, and ears. Each lesson builds on the previous one. So if you stay consistent, your pronunciation will improve noticeably. So are you ready? If you really want to improve in your pronunciation, like this video, subscribe to the channel, practice every day, and be consistent with me. See you in the next class. Bye.